My dog Coco's freaking out about the couch. Coco. Coco. Come here, Coco. Come here. What's down there? What's down there? Why are you chewing on so much stuff? He wanted a piece of plastic. Unless there's something else. Yep, that's it. That was it. Oh, all over a piece of plastic. A piece of plastic. He wanted it. He will chew on anything. I will show you what he chewed up. He's chewing the plant. Look! He chewed the plant up. He's already chewed on that. You can tell by the arm. He's chewed on that. Chewed on that. Don't even let me go to my house. He's chewed on everything. Oh yeah, he's chewed on that. What else have you chewed on? Oh yeah, have you chewed on the bowl yet? I'll let you. Holy crap! He licked this thing clean. I was eating Chef Boyardee spaghetti earlier. I let him have the rest of mine because I got tired of eating it, and he ate it. Oh yeah, he was chewing on my phone charger. What else did he chew on? See, he dragged the thing all the way over here. I picked it up, I put it over the top of this thing so he wouldn't chew on it anymore. He pulled it back over here. Eventually stopped messing with it. It was right here. So he chewed on. Oh yeah, he was chewing on the table earlier. What else have he chewed on? He's gonna follow me. Chew on anything else? No. What you doing, Coco? Guess that's it. Hold up. Oh yeah, he chewed on the wall. Look, this is all what he did today. I bring him to my granny's. Oh, and he pooped. Great. He took the dog down off the shelf. Right, he pooped. Well, I'm gonna take you back to show you my house is what he's done in my house. Oh yeah, he chewed my PlayStation cord up, my charger. I bought a $20 charger. I bought the 10-foot charger. Freaking chews it in half. I'm glad my old phone charger fits just like his. Is just like my PlayStation charger. So I'm gonna give you some more. Well, now he's gonna sit down. Coco. 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 Paul. Yeah, he doesn't listen. I don't have any food. I don't have any food. Chase your tail. Chase your tail again. Hold up. Watch this. You want to see him tear the crap out of a dog? Maybe he'll do it. Thing that I used to play with when I was like 3. Shut up. Get it, boy. Yeah. That thing is heavy, isn't it, boy? I'll give you something else. Hey! Give it back. Where are you gonna take it? It's too heavy. It weighs just as much as you. Oh, you broke its leg, too. Good job. Now he's gonna follow me. No. Not doing that again. I'm gonna get you something else to chew on. I'm gonna take you to the store today so you can start chewing up my stuff. What will you eat? I mean, what will you chew on? Here, you want, a pillow? A pillow? Yep. Let me put a blanket over top of him. You figured out how to get out. Alright, this is the Isaac 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm out.